Well, hello. We just finished the funeral. We are walking out like a bunch of bosses. And I also just got a trophy. A friend in need. GCPD, 5:53 p.m. Yeah, you get stark early over there.
Enjoying the view.
Daylight savings.
Hard to do these days. There's one thing for the bad parts of town to get ugly. But when places like Wayne Towers start falling apart, makes you wonder what's next.
The
I
Batcave.
bet Bruce Wayne is wondering the same thing. Seems like the world's got it out for that guy. Spends some time in Arkham, gets drugged through the dirt by the media for something he didn't do.
Wayne's still in one piece. It's the dead who deserve your sympathy.
They have it. Them and their families. You said you had a lead on Riddler.
The
Wayne's
East
somewhere East End.
End.
Why am I not surprised? East End's been a no man's land since Harvey Dent blew it up. I've tried to get more patrols out there, but City Hall's not giving up the funds. The area between 42nd and 48th, more or less lawless.
That narrows down the search at least.
That's cool. I'll start with 46.
Looks like gang activity's heating up along 43rd.
Well, I'll see what I can do. Hey, I get it, but we're stretched thin, I told you. Yeah, Riddler's a loner. I bet he's avoiding that area.
Well, how about over here?
A construction site at the center of 46th. Abandoned.
Harvey's boys demolished that area, chasing the children of Arkham. But nothing but a crater there. Not really a place for Riddler to have a hideout.
Well, how about over here?
Land at the end of 44th was recently purchased anonymously.
Third time's the charm.
The only thing there is an old water.
Oh my gosh, never mind.
Something feels fishy about that.
Fish in a water tower.
Okay, tell me
Ew.
that's the place.
Agreed.
Nice work, Batman.
Than's, man.
If this leak pans out,
I'm
all our
fishing
Peter
for
words.
compliments.
Whatever you said to her at the casino really got up her nose. I have to tell you, I got a bad feeling about her.
How so?
The way she goes after criminals. She's ruthless.
Waller.
Puts her people at risk. And believe me, she doesn't let due process get in her way. She'll stop at nothing. I mean nothing to get her man. That doesn't sit right with me.
As far as law enforcement goes, Jim, you were the best of it. I don't know many cops with as much heart as you.
I appreciate you saying that.
That's what I call a heart to heart.
Waller, she doesn't see that as a strength. I was ordered to give her updates on breaks in the Riddler case. If there's a chance he's there, we should probably let her know. Don't want to give her ammunition with the governor. She's already got a breathing down my neck about what went down.
Fine, fine.
Notify Waller. She's proven useful so far.
Just be careful around her, huh? She moved her people into my downtown precinct without so much as a please or thank you. I tell you, Batman.
Come on,
She
Waller.
keeps on chipping away at my authority. I'm gonna crack.
Then let's find Riddler before it comes to that.
I'll have my people call her people on the way.
And then my people will contact all of your people. That's probably the first time Batman disappeared and Gordon knew about it. I'm just saying. East End, 6:35 p.m. I was walking there, by the way, in case you wonder what took so long. Is this the clock tower? Heavy breathing.
No one's home.
I told Waller about our lead on this place. She's caught up in briefings, can't get here for a while. She said she appreciates the cooperation.
Yeah, you got it, Waller.
Not exactly cozy, is it?
Let's see what we can learn.
Learning is fun. School is cool. And newspaper
Someone's
clippings.
using a scrapbook.
Vain, isn't he?
Riddler has superior intellect.
See no evil, hear no evil, speak no evil.
I thought the last one was sneezing. Never mind. You are a smart one, Mr. Wayne. If only a vest was here to see it. Oh, I am so dumb.
Damn it. It's stuck.
It won't turn over.
Open it from the inside.
Then how do we get out?
It's a trap!
We go in.
Ooh.
After you.
Are you calling me a lady, Mr. Gordon? Cause I'm a man, okay? I'm a Batman. Called Batman, by the way. Glad that we talked that through, okay? More monkeys.
Give me a good, honest crack house any day.
You know how I love my crack. Ew.
God.
Bloody person
Special Agent Mario Fernandez.
named Mario Fernandez.
He's one of Waller's.
I thought he was on E! Entertainment. Looks like he's been bludgeoned and bleeding.
One of his pupils is fully dilated. The other's contracted. A clear sign of brain trauma.
I thought he was just staring into a light.
Blow to the head.
Maybe he got punched really hard.
The man bit his tongue clean through.
Or that.
Must have suffered a shock. Or a sudden jolt.
Or a shock.
There's some hemorrhaging from the
You
ears.
clean your ears, bro.
His eardrums must have burst.
Quit listening to music so loud.
One shoe is missing.
The sole of the other one's almost completely melted
And we're
through.
not gonna talk about those socks? Come on, man. Looks like his foot got burned, or else he was wearing like 20-year-old socks.
He's missing parts of his fingers
Oh.
and right hand.
Oh, he was doing that,
We saw this before.
that Riddler
The
thing.
victim in the casino.
Playing deal or no deal. The other hand is fine. Yes, yes. Well, looks like it's everything. No, never mind. It's not everything.
He was trying to call for help.
But he didn't have any
The phone
fingers.
isn't getting a signal.
Damn it.
My bat signal isn't getting a bat signal. Oh, crap.
That's a hell of an invitation.
Riddler's playing games.
I'd rather not play.
Play along.
We can learn from his mistakes. Let's find out what he did wrong.
He didn't say circle. He lost his shoe. Went
One
to
shoe melted.
pay more shoe
Must
store.
love that poor Cinderella over there.
Yes, I will definitely link that together. Cinderella, where are you? Cinderella! No, I wanna link it to his foot, dang it.
No.
I know.
Nothing would have
I know.
stuck his fingers in there.
Building more.
Clothes
Oh,
and the
wait.
trap he used on Mori.
Moriarty.
The armor, extremely sturdy.
Like my
In short,
body.
there's no possible way to open them other than solving his riddles.
This is an insane way to commit crimes, even for this city.
Even for these criminals.
Metal mesh lining the walls. Riddler has converted this entire place into a giant Faraday cage.
Oh no.
Faraday what?
An enclosure
Electricity.
designed to block electromagnetic fields. No signals in or out.
Guess it explains why our phones aren't getting signals.
And that's why I use AT&T. Sponsor time. Just kidding. I fly solo.
Masks. Each one missing a different facial feature.
Just like those monkeys.
The senses. They're missing their senses.
Like fingers.
Statues.
You're right. There must be a connection.
And
lot
fingers.
of blood.
And fingers.
We know Riddler likes penalizing his victims for wrong answers.
Safes with electronic locks.
Sounds safe.
Shut tight.
These must be the goal of whatever game we're playing.
The agent must have been looking for the answer in one of these safes.
He chose the wrong one. Goes from his fingers.
Interesting. Oh, look at that cape. So cool. Because I'm Batman. Get inside, wanna live?
Scratches on the monitor. The polarizing filter has been tampered with.
Like in sunglasses.
Monitors typically have a polarizing filter to reduce reflection.
I don't see anything.
Impossible to see with the naked eye.
But I'm
You
not
have to look at
naked.
it through a polarized lens. Take a look at this.
Told her there's a camera.
Well, that's the same kind of body cam the GCPD issues its officers.
I thought it was just a
Maybe there's a
GoPro.
clue on the recording.
Can't hurt to look.
Because you've been so candid with me, I'm giving you a chance your other comrades won't get. A chance at getting out of this alive. We'll catch you. The agency, I shouldn't have to remind you that you've been chasing me for years. And I've always been 2 steps ahead.
Playing hard to get every single
If you
time.
win the game, I'll let you go free. And you'll get a consolation prize.
You're just like
An
Regina.
exclusive sneak peek into how I'm going to kill all of your colleagues. Now, how is that for motivation? Screw you!
Can't say I'm too motivated, man.
He had the agent bound while he beat him.
Wow, it's like the Michael Jackson song. Beat it. Beat it. Now,
More monkey statues.
I'm starting to sense a theme here.
I like monkeys. I'm Monkey Man.
That's an agency issue pistol. That's a hell of a jolt.
I saw it take down Riddler's goons at the casino. It was
Yes.
impressive.
Gotta give it to Waller.
But not as impressive as me. Probably have Wayne Tech. You're not gonna mention these tools? Let's get the man a drill bit. Blood. Human blood. Death chamber.
Another one of Riddler's sick contraptions.
That's
Some
sickening.
kind of murder box, I guess.
Jigsaw.
Well, he was always a wacko, but this takes it to a new level.
The next level. Well, this looks like burns. Link that to the shoe.
It's still warm. There must be some kind of heating element underneath.
It is straight up
This
torture.
thing's built like an oven. You could be cooked alive in there.
It's an easy bake oven. Put some pancakes in there, it'll be solid.
The glass. It's polarized.
Polarizing
So it
like
is.
the Last Jedi. So it is, yes, yes.
Won't budge. Must be locked in place.
Didn't even try, bro, you just held it.
Turn me round, but not the right way.
So turn
I
left.
might live to see another day.
Yeah, turn
What does
left.
it mean?
It means turn left. Anyway, I gotta pause it. I hope you enjoyed this episode, and I will see you. Well, I probably won't see you, but hopefully you'll watch the next episode. Thanks for watching, everybody.